This is one of the calmest long passages we have ever experienced. Days on end with winds less than 10 knots, sometimes not enough to sail in, and sometimes just enough to glide along at 5 or 6 knots. Bad weather must be happening somewhere, but it's not on our course this time, it seems. After we've been at sea more than a week, memories of land fade and we travel through a blue world. Fish, birds, dolphins, and whales. We have a couple of days with winds from behind, one of our favorite points of sail since the motion is so gentle. With wind from astern, we need to put up as much sail as possible, since our own forward speed will reduce the wind force on our sails. We set out the mainsail on our starboard side, that's the right side of the boat looking forward, and use our downwind pole to rig the big genoa out to port. This is known as wing and wing, or goose winging, and we make more than 6 knots with a lovely smooth motion. Hundreds of miles from the nearest land, and it's as calm as a lake.
Land ho! Whoa, look at this! We've made it more than 2 weeks at sea. Just the two of us on board for 2.5 weeks. Flores in the Azores. This is so exciting. I'm looking forward to getting ashore and exploring the islands.
Join us next time as we explore the mid-Atlantic islands of the Azores, starting with the westernmost island of Flores. Excellent hiking trails.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
And a festival celebrating the 500th anniversary of the town. Then sailing on to the sailors' Mecca of Horta and its welcoming harbor on the blue island of Fayal.